What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Car Trader Diaries. Welcome to today's video. Now, I've been gone for a month. Some of you may be wondering where I've been. Some of you may not have even noticed that I've been gone. There's good reason for that. I lost my job, went through a bit of shit with that. So I've been elsewhere trying to sort some work out. And yeah, it's been a bit of a weird time for me. But I'm slowly getting back into the swing of things. Today we're doing a video on the transit, as you can see from the title. We are going to be having the welding done on the body, and we are going to be on the bed, and we're going to be doing the wheel bearing on the passenger's front. Not the wheel bearing, we're going to be buying a hub, a second-hand hub, and we're going to be fixing that up. We're also going to be doing a few other little bits and bobs. But yeah, apologies for the lack of content over the past month. Like I said, I'm slowly getting back into the swing of things. We've already started with the Peugeot partner. I filmed a video on that. I just wanted to get the transit wrapped up before, I didn't want to sort of cross them over too much, because obviously we had the caddy whilst doing the transit, so I didn't want to bring up another project, even though we did do a video before. So if you guys want to go and check out the Peugeot van, the first video we done, I'll put a little link on this video, so you can go and check that out. But yeah, so that's sort of where we're at. That's what's been going on. So I mean, possibly I'll be maybe doing this a bit more full time. You know, it's not going to cover the bills yet, but maybe I just need to take that jump into doing it full time. Who knows? But you know, we're in a good position to be creating more content for you guys. Like I said, I've got a video lined up after this series on the transit. Anyway, I'm waffling on. Let's get into it. We're going to go and pick the transit up. We're going to take it down to the body shop. I don't know how much filming I'm going to be able to do down there. I might try and get a little bit of filming done. And then, obviously, once that's done, we've got the number plate lights that we need to do on the back, because it doesn't have any. So I've now ordered them. So I'm waiting for them to turn up. And then after this video, we're going to do a video on it being MOT'd. I've ordered some ramps as well, so I'm waiting for them to turn up. So yeah, the last video will be like getting it MOT'd and doing a price breakdown, and then it'll be up for sale. So yeah, but yeah, let's get into it. Don't forget, if you like the video, to hit the thumbs up, and if you're new, do subscribe to the channel, because we're going to be, like I said, getting back into the swing of things. So let's do it. Guys, so we're now back from having the welding done. As you can see from here, we've had the welding, we've had a bit welded in there, all the way along to there. We've had a new section put in here because that was completely rusted. Come over to here, we've had a new section put in there because it was rusted underneath. Don't know how well the camera's going to pick that up. Had that done. We've also got to sort that out, get that out of the way. These are the where the ramps will go. Like I said, they're only 6 foot, so have to work on that, see what we can do there. Now this is the big bit here we've had done. New bit welded in from there all the way across and then down to there. Again, we've had a new bit welded in there because that was completely rusted away. It's got the new mud guards to fit. If we come, where is it? We've had a new section welded in under there because that was rotted away as well. Other than that, sort of. Now this is 2.5. That down. This new box section that we've had put in is 2.5mm as opposed to this was 1.5mm. So this is a lot thicker. So I'm very happy with that. Obviously that's going to take the brunt of the weight when the car comes onto the back of the truck. So yeah, happy with that. Not long now until it's ready to be sold. We still need a number plate light, which we haven't got. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to start by getting this all painted up. Then we need to get this old mud guard off and we can get the new ones fitted up. We're going to be using this epoxy primer. Go over this. Give it a stir already. So now we've given it a lick of paint. It's much better. Just need to tidy it underneath up there, which I'll do in a sec. Come round to this side. It's a lot better. Again, a lick of paint under there. So, next job is to get these wheel arches on. Okay, so it's now a few days later. We've now picked up a second-hand hub. Those of you that know, obviously we've got the wheel bearings gone on this wheel. So what we're going to do, we're going to change it over for this one. We're going to take the caliper off. I think the disc looks okay, to be fair. It's just a bit of surface rust, so that's alright. But we're gonna get it changed over, and then all that's left to do, I've ordered the ramps. So the ramps will be here in a couple of days, and I've ordered a number plate light, and then that's it, ready for MOT. So I'll get set up, and then I'll come back once we're set up. We've got it jacked up and we've got the wheel off. Right, so we're now all jacked up. So it's just a case. I've put some WD-40 on all the bolts and stuff. So first job, we're going to take the two bolts, hold the caliper on, get that off out of the way. We need to trace up where that sensor goes. Disconnect that, because luckily this one comes with the sensor, although it is broken there. So okay, so we've now got the caliper off. We have taken that bolt off there, so we just need to knock that out, and then take that bolt off, and then that one's pretty straightforward, to be fair. So yeah, we'll get all them done. We can drop this out, and then we can take that caliper off, switch it over. So yeah, I might put a bit of time lapse on, get that set up. Guys, as you can see, absolutely pitch black. I've had an absolute mare trying to get this out. The ball joint was just stuck, so So I managed to use that. That hammer was doing nothing. So where's that other hammer? This one. Use that baby. Come out straight away. So, am I glad that that's off. Whew. That's the current state of play. So we're dealing with. So I'm going to give it a little bit of a clean up, and then we're going to get. Oh, I'm going to get that one on. So yeah, I'm going to do that now because I need to get this moved. Right, so we've got the new one put in. Well, new used one. Got to put the track rod end back in, and the anti-roll bar, got to link that back up again, and then reconnect that sensor, and then yeah, we can take it for a test drive, all being well. Okay guys, so it's now all fitted, everything's connected up, all the sensors, got the caliper back on. You look at the back, got the track rod end and the anti-roll bars connected all up. What I'll do now, get the wheel on, jack her down, and then take it for a little drive. So all that's left for the MOT, get some new number plates because they're cracked, and I noticed obviously on the back number plate that it doesn't have a light for it, so it doesn't have any number plate lights for it, so I've got 2 of them, so I'll get them fitted. Obviously in daylight I won't get that done now. And obviously I just want to just sort that little bit of rust out up there, you know. I've gone to all this effort, give that a bloody clean. That's why it's been sat under a tree, so I've gone to all this effort to clean it up, so it'd be a shame just to leave that, you know, that's what's sort of letting it down. So yeah, it's coming out alright, and obviously we need to give it a good clean, get that residue off. I tried to put some red reflective tape, but it was a bit too much, so I'll get that all cleaned up there. But she's more or less, other than them bits that I've just mentioned, ready for an MOT. So I'll get the wheel on, and I'll let you guys know how we got on in probably going to be the final video on this truck. It'll be like a sort of little drive video, take it down to get MOT'd, and then we'll go through the numbers, see exactly what it's cost and how much we're going to be putting up for. So let me get this wheel on, I'll pop back and then we'll wrap the video up. There we go, back on the ground, all buttoned up. Like I said, I'm going to give it obviously a test drive now. I've really enjoyed doing this truck. I think going forwards it is something I want to maybe do again for sure. But we've obviously got the Peugeot, as you can see in the reflection there. We have made a start on that. There is a video coming on that soon. But yeah, that's all for today. I will catch you guys very soon.